We have a 2013 Chevy Impala with a service code P0496 for a high purge flow of the EVAP system. The EVAP Purge valve is located next to the throttle body underneath the engine cover. In order to remove the engine cover, remove the oil cap and then lift up the engine cover from underneath and set that aside. As you can see, the EVAP Purge valve is right there next to the throttle body. There's two connections that you're going to need to remove. On the vacuum side, push down the white clip all the way down and gently pull out. Next is the electrical connection that goes into the purge valve. Push down on the clip and pull that out as well. Underneath is a 10mm bolt you're going to need to remove in order to remove the EVAP purge valve. While removing it, if the hose is in the way, push it out of the way, not too far, as it can break since it's plastic. We're going to replace the old one with a new one made by Dorman. You're going to install the new one the same way you took out the old one. Make sure the holes on the bottom line up, put in the bolt, and screw it in a few times by hand so that you don't cross thread it. And then you're going to take your tool, your ratchet with a 10mm, and then tighten it. Next, plug in the electrical connection and then the vacuum hose. Push it in until you hear a click. Last step, put the engine cover back on. Make note of these two grommets, line it up to the top of the engine. Place the engine cover on top, give it a little push down, and then replace the oil cap.